The day is finally upon us. The long-awaited Merry hard fork goes live today, which is going to bring a new era about for Cardano, the era of the token economy. This is the biggest upgrade to Cardano yet. However, I do have a price warning for you, so make sure to watch the whole video to get all of the info. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and click on the bell to make sure you catch all of my videos. By the way, if you want to score yourself some Cardano, so you want to buy Cardano, maybe you just want to trade some Cardano, then the best place to buy Cardano is over on Binance. As well as Cardano, you can also buy other hot coins like Bitcoin, Polkadot, Elrond, and many, many more. You can actually buy these using more than 50 different fiat currencies, so no matter where you live, they've got you covered. Use the link down below me here in the description to get signed up for your Binance account, and you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees. Okay, so what a just crazy few weeks it has been for Cardano. It is now the third largest cryptocurrency after just an incredible surge in the month of February. This is amazing to see. It's an incredible achievement for Cardano being the third biggest cryptocurrency now. If we take a look here at the charts, Cardano has just been on a massive run since the start of the year, up nearly 10x, which is astonishing for a top 10 cryptocurrency to see those kind of gains. That being said, it may be time for gravity to catch up with Cardano. What we often see happen with these kind of major events like the Merry hard fork is a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing, meaning that there's often this big run up in price before a major event, lots of hype, lots of anticipation, and that afterwards there is a sell-off in the asset. You may say, but Lark, come on, it's Cardano, this time is different, Cardano's different, that's not going to happen. I'm just stating the facts here. This is what usually happens in the market regarding these kind of events. In fact, Cardano is already down 15% from recent highs, but it got up to over $1.50 approximately. The RSI, the Relative Strength Index on the weekly for Cardano, also hit a record at 95.5. The RSI has literally never been that high for Cardano, ever. Basically, the technicals are screaming that it is overbought right now. So think twice before running out and buying some Cardano at this exact moment. You may get better discounts in the days to come as the hype from the hard fork starts to die down. No guarantees, obviously. This is just what usually happens, and especially considering the overbought RSI makes it more likely. Next, I wanted to share this awesome network statistic with you. 72% of all Cardano is now staked. Awesome. In spite of the huge run-up in price, the Cardano community, they are hodling on to their ADA coins. This is a good sign that the community is, not ready to just cash out yet. They're holding for much higher prices. It also means that the network is massively decentralized, because with all those different people staking, that's a lot of decentralization happening there. But of course, the big news today is that the Merry hard fork is happening today. Now, what does this hard fork actually mean for Cardano? Well, it means that Cardano will finally have a freaking token economy. Cardano will be able to host tokens in a similar way to how Ethereum does now. And while the hard fork is a step in the right direction, for sure, we cannot argue that without a doubt, but we still will not have full smart contract functionality for Cardano. That's not going to happen for another few months, at least until the Gogon hard fork comes in. So we still are waiting on smart contracts to come through. But we will have native tokens on the mainnet for Cardano from today, which is a pretty big deal. Meaning that developers can now launch their own tokens, or their projects can actually migrate tokens over to Cardano. The Daedalus and Yoroi wallets have just been upgraded as well to support multi-assets on the mainnet. So as soon as that hard fork goes live, you'll be able to interact with these different assets. A project named Ergo, for example, last week launched a stablecoin on Cardano. The stablecoin is called Sigma USD. This is literally the first DeFi app for Cardano to be launched. So it's happening. It's happening. It's finally happening. Pretty damn exciting to see that the merry hard fork opens up a world of possibilities for those wanting to come and build on Cardano. We are now seeing Cardano enter the era of functionality, right? We're going beyond staking now. Staking last year, that was pretty exciting to see, but now we can actually start talking about stablecoins, NFTs, right? Decentralized finance, and much, much more possible, even with just the native tokens. Yes, we'll get a lot more functionality with smart contracts, but this is a major step. Cardano's tokens are also unique in that they don't run on top of the chain, but they're actually more a part of the blockchain. They share most of the ADA coin's properties, with simplicity being the main focus of the native tokens here, trying to lower the risk of human error and making DeFi integrations even easier than they currently are on other chains. As well, a new upgrade called Babel will be massive for tokens, since it will now be possible to pay transaction fees on the network using tokens instead of the ADA coin. Now that's game changing in terms of user experience. You don't have to go out and buy a separate coin for gas. You can just use whatever token it is that you're using and pay the network fees using that. And a lot of people like to trash Cardano, but you know, doing that now is literally betting against Cardano before it's listed on Coinbase, before Grayscale opens Cardano Trust, before PayPal lists Cardano, before we get any kind of financial products for Cardano like an ETF. I mean, look, Canada just approved a Bitcoin ETF. It's likely going to approve an Ethereum ETF any day now. You really don't think that other major altcoins are not going to get this kind of financial products brought in for them as well? We're going to see ETFs for products like Cardano in the future as well. Now, all of that being said, we still do have to keep it real though. Cardano has its work cut out for it. There are lots of well-funded and very hungry competitors fighting for market share right now, right? Everybody wants to take market share away from Ethereum while the fees are high and users are looking for other options. But many of those competitors to Cardano are much farther along in terms of ecosystem and tech delivery and adoption. We have chains like Elrond and Cosmos and Polkadot and Avalanche and Solana and lots of others that are kind of miles ahead in comparison to where Cardano is right now. And I know that Cardano maxis and bag holders won't like to hear that, but it's true. The numbers speak for themselves. Look at the number of DeFi apps and ecosystem players and applications and things built on these other chains, and the scalability, and they have smart contracts, right? The heat is on in 2021 for Cardano to deliver on an ecosystem. So it's going to be very interesting to see how the token economy on Cardano develops in the coming months now that native tokens are enabled. How many protocols are going to move over to Cardano when smart contracts go live? Very interesting to watch all this playing out. Anyway, your question for today. Do you think that Cardano is going to prove the haters wrong, or will another blockchain like Polkadot come in and eat up Cardano's lunch? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.